The birds have been going crazy all day today. Look at them all. This whole tree is full of birds. There's thousands of them. They've been doing this all over today. This is like my 5th time seeing this today. I seen this outside of my work. I seen it while driving on the thruway. Birds all, perched together real close in trees like this. Something's not right. You hear them? They're never this loud. It's like they're anticipating something coming. These are all birds, people. Listen to them. That is nuts. They've been doing this all day today, all over Western New York. All over the city. Birds have been doing this in packs. Why? I don't have the answer to that, but I can tell you what, they can sense something is coming. UFOs, maybe? I don't know. They just stopped. They all stopped at one time. Did you hear that, people? Here they go again. Now they're starting up again. They all just stopped at the same time chirping. All fucking 10,000 of them, for Christ's sakes. This is nuts, people. There's this tree, there's a tree behind it, there's a tree over here. They're all full of these birds. And I've been seeing this all damn day. Peace and love, everybody. More updates to come as I have them. The birds are acting crazy. Something's about to happen.